Hi guys, and welcome back to another Reezer review. Here I have another package from Hitbox, but let's get her open. Looks like we have ourselves a welding helmet. Alright, so this is the Hitbox welding helmet. Alright, this is their welding helmet with the extended viewing as well as auto darkening. Alright guys, we are back in the shop. Got my new Hitbox helmet. It's actually a very nice, good quality helmet. I have not welded with it quite yet, but that's why we're here. So let's remove this. So as you can see, it is adjustable. You can tighten it up, loosens so you can get your head in there and then get it nice and tight. Get it nice and snug, and then it does have the adjustments on the side so you can adjust where you want it. Now this one is true color. It looks like sunglasses actually. You can see actually quite a bit. Let's see if you can see this. The lens is very clear. You can actually see everything. It's a lot better than my other welding helmet, where it was pretty dark. You couldn't see much. This basically lets you see everything until obviously you go to weld, and then it auto dims. Since the last time I reviewed the welder, I actually went out and invested in some tools. Here we have my new angle grinder. It's Chicago Electric. Just a Harbor Freight model. Nothing too fancy, just something I'm going to use for this hobby of mine. So the helmet actually does have a grinding option, which I have set right now. I'm going to go ahead and grind a little bit so I can lay down a couple beads and see how this helmet works out. Alright, we got the welder set up for some MIG welding, flux core actually. See how the helmet does. It would probably help if I switched it off of grinder to welding. How it goes. The delay is awesome. It starts right away, and then it actually stays a little bit until that weld is complete. You can actually see almost everything. It's actually pretty impressive, and it keeps your eyes completely protected. Obviously, I'm still starting out welding, so it's not the greatest to look at, but this helmet definitely does help. Hitbox did a great job on this helmet. A lot of technology has gone into it, and it's amazing what you can see with it. Alright guys, well I'm going to get to it. Keep laying some beads and practicing. Thanks to my new Hitbox helmet, I can see so much. I can't wait to keep welding, keep practicing. We'll catch you on the next one.